Hello photography fans and welcome back to another LensVid review. Today we're taking a look at the NanoPro magnetic filter kit from Haida. Let's see how good these are. Today we're taking a look at a set of magnetic filters made by Haida. These are the NanoPro lightweight stackable low profile filters. Since 2007, the Chinese optics manufacturer Haida has been focusing on producing high quality optics for lenses. They've been developing nano coating and multi-coating processes to ensure the best light filtration results for their optics. Haida ships this kit in a semi-hard case with 4 dividers inside. Our kit included 2 ND filters, a polarizing filter, a magnetic adapter ring plus a step-up ring, and a metal magnetic lens cap. Ours are all 82mm thread diameter, but Haida offers different sizes from 52 to 82mm. Both the case and the filters look and feel like a quality product. Each piece is clearly marked on the front. The filter casings are made of a very lightweight aluminum alloy and are only 2.9mm thick. The nano coating protects the glass from scratches and helps with cleaning the smudges. The magnetic hold is pretty strong and shouldn't have a problem keeping the glass in place. There is micro etching on the edges of the filters and the adapters to pull them apart easily. Because of the seamless magnetic hold, these can be stacked one on another. The lens cap features a very nice velvety interior and has a very thin profile as well. The only problem with this type of cap is that you can't really use it with a hood. To use these filters on your lens, you first screw on the adapter ring. The ring is very slim and won't get in the way if you just leave it on the lens. To install the filter, simply place it onto the adapter ring with the text facing out. It just snaps into place with magnetic force. You know, one thing you shouldn't filter out is the subscribe button, so hit subscribe and hit the bell notification. This system makes it really easy to switch out the filters. For example, here we have 2 different ND filters. You place one on and you realize that it's not strong enough, you can quickly replace it with the other one, or even combine them. The ND 1.8 glass filters out 6 stops of light, which means that it gives 64 times the reduction in light. The ND3 filters out 10 stops of light, reducing it by 1000. The polarizing filter reduces the polarization effect caused by sunlight. Depending on the angle of rotation, it minimizes the haze in the sky and enhances the colors. Polarizing filters are often used in nature and in architecture photography. They can also help reduce glare and reflections in product shots. Here's an example of how the NanoPro polarizing filter affects the image. By using ND filters, you can maintain a constant shutter speed when filming indoors and in sunlight, which will help you to expose correctly and give a uniform look to your video. ND filters also help to filter out the light to create movement in photos even in bright sunlight, where slowing down the shutter speed usually would give a severely overexposed image. Here's an example of how the NanoPro ND 1.8 filter affects the exposure. The sunlight is so bright that I can't use the lens wide open. The 6 stops of light reduction with this filter allows me to open the aperture to f4. With the NanoPro ND 3.0 filter, I can open the aperture to 1.4 because of the 10 stops of light reduction. We tested the Haida NanoPro filters to see if they affect the colors or sharpness in any way, and we didn't see any loss in quality with this glass on the lens. In conclusion, these NanoPro filters are very high quality glass. They don't change the colors, tint, or sharpness. They're quick to install and easy to clean. The only reservation we have about this magnetic hold is that it's possible to knock the filter off if you bump the lens on something, but in most cases it shouldn't be a problem. As for pricing, individual filters vary depending on size, and the kit that we got to test out costs $429. And that is it for our look at the magnetic filter kit by Haida. Go check out the full review with all of our test results on our website at lensvid.com. Subscribe to this channel and come back for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.
Bloopers.
So welcome back to another LensVid review.
Welcome.
Welcome. We've been waiting.
Bruce. That's it. We don't have anything more to say.
Yeah.